Hi guys, if you want to block a website from sending notifications on Chrome like this or this, then let's see how to do it. To block notifications from a particular website, first of all, go to the website you want to block notifications from. So let's say for the example, you want to block notifications from Amazon.com. So for that, simply open the Amazon.com. And then click on the view site information icon on the address bar. And now, if you are able to see the notification option here, simply turn it off. And in case, if you are not able to see the notifications option here, then click on the site settings option. And then go to the permission section. And under the permission section, click on the drop down menu next to notifications. Simply click on it and then select the block option. You can see. And under the permissions, once you block the notifications, go back to the site. And now here, you will be able to see the reload option. Simply click on it. And once the website is reloaded, the notifications from that particular website will be blocked. You can also block website notifications through Google Chrome settings. So for that, first of all, click on this 3-dot menu icon and then go to settings and then go to privacy and security, and under the privacy and security, click on site settings. And now under the site settings, go to permission section and then click on notifications. And now on the notifications page, simply scroll down. And now under the allowed to send notification section, you will be able to see all the sites which you have allowed notification from. And from here, you can easily block any specific sites to prevent them from sending notifications. For that, simply click on the 3 dots next to the site and then select the block option. And the site will be blocked. You can see. Simply click on the 3 dots icon and then select the block option. And the website will be blocked from sending notifications. And from now on, you will not receive any notifications from that particular website. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily block a website from sending notifications on Chrome. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.